I think I know what this throw represents. It represents a bird. The bird's eye is here. The eye looks like a person. The bird's upper beak is here. And this part of the candle represents the bird's lower beak. This part of the candle represents the bird's body. This arrowhead represents the bird's body. This piece of candy represents a feather on the bird's head. This piece of candy in this direction represents a person. The person's head is here, and the arrowheads represent headgear on the person's head. And so, yeah.